So, hello and welcome, beautiful people, to another round of me trying to improve in the beautiful art of programming. Episode number 746. And as usual, we will be doing 3 minutes of typing exercise, and then we will be doing Angular right now. And in this episode, hopefully, we'll find out the order of hooks with relation to the parent and the child components, which are nested. So let's get into it. So I'll start the timer. %, wow. It's very good. It's actually very good. Oh, Satellite Ones is the name for the music. Okay. Okay. So that was the typing session, and now we will go to the Angular. And we did change this to say child and so on. And now we will implement all the hooks. You know, we will do the constructor, we will do on changes, on init do check after. You get the idea. But we will do it in the parent component, and we will log it in the same table. That way, we will see which of those hooks will be executed before the children hooks, and which hooks will be executed after the children. So let's get into it. So we are in the Peekaboo, and we are in the children basically. Right? That's called Peekaboo. Yeah. So we will be changing the Peekaboo parent. So parent component, and we want export that, insert what it was, implement, extends, that was interface. Do you know? I don't. Extends Peekaboo, yeah, those are that, okay. So implements on init, on init, yes. And then we will have a, what was the other thing? On changes, do check, do check, after content init, after content init, after content checked, after view init, after view checked, after view init, after view checked, and on destroy. Destroy, here we go. And now we have a problems because there is like no implementation for this shit, right? So we will do magic and we will implement all of those. So on init, and here we will also like, okay, so we will do all of them. Then I will just, what? Oh, hold on. Okay. Now, Alt Enter. On changes. Alt Enter. Check. Check. Then, isn't it this a little bit louder than the other ones? This music. Enter. Yeah, implement do we have? Yeah, we do have the do check. Alt Enter to. You know what? I will start implementing it. So on init. So this will be. This logger log, and it will be parent on init. That's that. And I'll take this. This will be on changes. This will be deleted. Put this here. Come on. What did happen? Go back. There we go. So put it in here. What the? Oh, I did copy it more than I wanted. So do just that. Yes. Changes. This is do check, format it a little bit, And now we still have some which were unimplemented, so we will do after content init. And after content checked. After view checked. And on destroy. Cool. Now we'll let this and put it in here, here, and here. I'll delete this. Change this. This will be on. Hold on. Oh, okay. Let's destroy. Check. This will be after you checked. This will be after content checked. This. And this will be after content like so, formatted, beautiful. Still have some error. Declaring ng-doCheck and ng-onChanges method in a class is not recommended. Okay, maximum line. Okay, sure. So we will shorten it a little bit. We will split the lines. That's what we will be doing. And yeah, that should fix this shit, right? And here it's missing after view in it. Okay, so we'll do after view in it. Oh. I'll take this, put it in here. So will be after view in it, like so. Beautiful. It is this warning in here, but we didn't have it in the Peekaboo, right? Here's component. And in the other one, it says doCheck and onChanges. And if we do check, I have implementation in here. What is it in the other one? I have the implementation in here as well. So this logit. This, yeah, that's what I'm using as well, right? Okay, so let's see how this works. So we have a parent. Oh, I've got all this shit. We kind of omitted the numbers. Oops. So we did it a little bit differently, which, oh well, I will not fix that. That's not the important stuff in here. The important stuff in here is we have all the life cycles over here till the parent after content checked, right? A few doChecks and so on in the parent, because the child component doesn't exist right now. If we created it, so we are here at the parent after content checked. Last one is the second one. And here's 1, 2, 3. Okay, So I'll create it. And it is a rewritten. That's weird. It was not the intended behavior. But we will see where it comes, you know, like here's the construction. Then we can see, you know, we have the on changes, on and do check after, and we do like basically everything in the children, and then it is after view checked and after content checked is those two which are called after that. Okay, if I update the hero, we have first in the children, and then is called after updating the children view, we get after view check, and after content check, those and those. Then it's again. That's funny. Okay, so even though it's not a point, my OCD cannot let me, like, yeah, I want the numbers in there first, and then how come it gets reset on the beginning? I think it is. Oh, I know, because in the creation of the children, we did reset the lock, right? Which I don't want. Is the peekaboo, not directive, in the peekaboo parent, and here was this destroy. There's the toggle child. In the toggle child, we have a logger clear, which we don't want in here, but I will create another button, and that will be button click here. Lock, like so. Here, lock, like that. Now we have a problem because we don't have implemented this method, so we'll implement it, and that will just this logger dot clear. Yeah, in case I want to do so. Now it will look a little bit different. So what we did achieve here is, now if I press this button, this will stay here. See that? If I want to have it clear, I have this beautiful button new, and we destroy it. It's done and done. So we have that. Now we will fix the numbers, and that will be doing something different. So in the children, which is the peekaboo directive, when we do look something, how does it look? Okay, so we have this, and we are keeping track of this next ID. Okay, so we are keeping track of this inside of the directive. Hey, how is this tied to the Peekaboo directive, Peekaboo component? We have a look into here. There's nothing, but it is actually extending the Peekaboo directive, huh? So now is the question, what will happen if I extend this to in the parent, and then yeah, so we'll go into parent, find the beginning of the this, and here we will say extends direct. What was it? Peekaboo directive. Peekaboo directive. Space. Okay. And now we have a problem. Incorrectly provided logger is private in Peekaboo directive, but not in type Peekaboo component. Yeah. So in the logger, we will in the Peekaboo directive we inject it too, right? So we will remove it, the injection from here. It doesn't exist. Why are you red? What's your problem? That will be probably that if we have in the Peekaboo component a look in the constructor, we have a super logger. Okay. We'll try that now. Service. Come on, escape on super logger, like so. Now we have some problems in here because this should be behaving differently, and now I don't want to change it like on it, so I should use like the power of whim, right? Which would be, yeah, sure. I will replace this thing, which is this, that, oh fuck, I don't know. Replace text, then. Yeah, that was it. So it is all of it replace, then it is a slash and it is a logger log, and we will replace it with oh fuck, what was it? Okay, I don't remember. It was logit. Place logger.log. Let's log it. Global confirm go. I don't know this, yes, 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 yes. Okay, cool. We still have some problems. We have this logger tick. Oh, fucking damn it. Come on. Okay, that doesn't fly. But I should have a logger, right? So maybe if I do super logger. So does not fly. What this does anyway. Display catches up. Okay, so I'll pretend it's not here right now, and at least we will see what it will screw up. Fail to compile. What about now? Fail to compile. Okay. Reload prevented. Okay, that's not good. Error expression changed after it has been checked. Error. Oh, come on. It's not what we want. Empty cache hard reload. Okay, this is not how this will work. Okay. I will omit this because that was not the point. So I will revert the. We will not have the extension of this. That should be okay. We will just not have the numbers in here. That's okay. For the moment, it's more important to check the things. Maybe I can track the number in the parent as well, right? Yeah, we'll have here a number, and this will be parent or log number equals 0, like so. Then we will have a function that will be log it. It will take message and oh, come on, void like so, and yeah, it is a string. Now we will say this dot logger dot log, and we will have a variable, and that will be what was it? Dollar. Where's the dollar? I don't know where I have dollar. Which key is a dollar? I forgot which key is a dollar. Here, dollar. This log number plus plus space and we will have the where's the here so. And this will be. Yeah, basically we'll be replacing what I did. Logger log with logit. Yes. No. Yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Now, how do we look? And this, it was... It is broken. Maximum call stack. What? Maximum call stack size exceeded. Peekaboo component logit. Peekaboo parent comp. What the hell is that? What the hell is that? It's slide 52 here. I probably fucked up it somehow. So let's see how it is in the children. Logging, or more likely in the directive, Peekaboo directive. So it is $dot variable dot, okay. Let's get, that's fucking same. Look at it. Well, no, here is the log. It's this. Fuck, right. Why don't you? Cannot write like curlies and such stuff in here. That's bullshit. Okay, whatever. So this is how we do it in here. This log number, it doesn't do this. It says just next ID. But here's like the global variable. Okay, but I would like to know what is happening in here. Why call stack size exceeded? Oh, what? Because a recursive function with a base that isn't being met. Okay, so I have a cycle somewhere. That's a good hint. So, in the place where I did change it, which was... Fucking A! Why it doesn't focus? Okay, now it does. Oh, I see. calling itself, that's bad. So change this logger log like so. Duh. I was a little bit overzealous with that. Find and replace. So create that. Beautiful. Beautiful. So we are at 10 before creating the peekaboo component. 10, right? And we get, after I click that, we got after view checked, do check, and after content check. Okay, then this is constructor in the child. The on changes. That's the thing which checks for the things which are passed down from the parent component to the children component, right? That's here. Come on. Oh, come on. Here. Here it is. The music ended? Really? Seriously? Really? Okay, so I'll start from the beginning again, I guess. It's kind of good playlist. Yeah, and inside of the peekaboo, on input, that kind of has this on changes, and this one is looking what is passed from the parent to this component in the fields which are marked inputs, you know, and are handed down in here. That's the thing. Then we have on init, do check, after content init, after content checked, after view init. Okay, so here's the important stuff, you know, like we have after content checked, and then after we do all the children, the first one after that is after view check. Then we have do check, which is called, well, multiple times, and then after content checked. So after view checked and after content checked, after checks, that's the one which are updated. So currently we are at 16, and if we do update the hero, it gives here the bang, the extra bang. We were at 16, right? 16 disappeared. The fuck? There's a lot of things missing. What the hell? What does the update hero does? Oh, let me see. Update hero, this logger tick. Few of those are missing. Why? So here is like 15, but I remember like there was a. Hold on, that doesn't make sense. So where is it? On changes. No, that was the peekaboo. Right. So we have 10. Create. Now we have 16 in a parent. Right. 14, 15, 16. Then I do update hero. And my 16 disappears. Oh no, it's here. Oh yeah, because good. Yeah, I was looking. I mistaken the parents with the child counters. That's what happens here. So we have a in child do check, after content checked in the child, after in the parent, after view checked. So how can I make sense of it? So after this one, I clicked on this guy, the update hero, right? So in the children, I clicked on I do check, after content checked, after view checked. Okay. Then this one is triggered in the parent. That's after view checked. There's do check and after content checked. Then we have a children on changes. Change the name. Under did you check in the children? Again, after content check, the same here as well, and after view check. Those two. And then again, like this is our favorite one, I guess, after view checked and after content checked in a parent. Okay. It's almost 8, so I think I will have my exercise. I mean, going on the stairs, you know. So I'll stop the timer, stop the recording.